install a new, cheaper, more powerful battery in your Gen 3 Prius. You're going to want to get into the back of the Prius, right back here on the passenger side of the Prius. Under this panel is the battery. So you got to pull out this thing, you got to pull out the tub, and then you pull out this compartment, and then you also pull out this little piece of plastic. Obviously mine is very dirty because it's old and it's kind of used as a truckster. But once you get all that out, the battery's under there. This is where you're going to start once you get your battery out. Your battery's going to have this holder in and mount inside of the car. And there's 3 bolts that you take out and remove this thing here. This post right here on the battery holder is not long enough to fit with this new battery, and it also doesn't fit quite properly width-wise either. You could probably make it work width-wise, but the length is not long enough. So what I did here is I took a 7/16 inch piece of threaded rod. This is 10 inches long, and there's already a hole in this frame down here, and I fished a flanged bolt head or nut down into here and put it upside down in there, and then I put another nut up on this top, so I got a post now. Then what I'm going to do is put a piece of just clear tubing over the top, and now I have a post there. And what I can do then is get this battery installed and use the original battery strap, metal strap, to hold it down. So once all that's put in place, I'll show you how it works, and it should be pretty easy. Okay, here you can see I have the original bolt from the Prius bolt here started, and this does stretch a little bit, or needs to be bent. It is a little bit too high, but if you start this bolt first and then put on your new post bolt or nut on there, it'll pull it down, so you don't have to adjust anything on here. You can just use the pressure from the battery. And once that's in, I'll show you that again, and then we'll get to wiring this up. And now for the actual post of the battery, what I do is have these longer metric battery posts here. These are, I think, M6, and I just have 2 washers on there. One is going to go above the post, and one is going to go below. So 1 washer here, 1 washer here, and then we're going to thread this whole bolt into here, and that'll give you a good connection. I'll try not to bump the camera too much here. These one above, 1 below, and we'll get this negative on here. And get those on there nice and tight. Okay, so this bolt had fallen underneath my spare tire, of course. That's how everything works, right? So again, the same strategy here. We're going to put a washer underneath and a washer above. Okay, and when you put this on, you sometimes going to get a little bit of a spark. Just nature of things. How about we just put it here? Okay, so there we are. I'm going to get that going down in there. Again, nice and tight, because the washers are what's making a contact. Okay, and then I'm going to have the, this is for my trailer lights, so I'll retighten this. And yes, the Prius is very good at towing. People say it's not supposed to be towing with it, but got a lot of torque. We've pulled quite a few trailers up to about 1,500 pounds with this thing, no problem. And actually, the gas mileage doesn't get hit too bad either. So, not telling what you to do, but just letting you know what I do. Okay, so that's that. We have a Wise sealed lead acid rechargeable AGM battery in here. This is a mobility battery for like wheelchairs and stuff. So it's made for this application where the Prius is starting and stopping all the time, and it's not really, this battery isn't a regular starting battery, so it's not the type of battery a Prius needs. So this is the perfect application. This one was about half the price of a Toyota battery or really any other battery, and frankly it's a little bit bigger capacity. So hopefully this little tutorial helped you out and get you back on the road. Just to show you how everything actually fits at the end here. You can see I've got the covers on here. Everything's flush, flat. All the pieces still fit in there. Everything's flat, so even with the larger battery in there, it works really well. This piece is left over along with one bolt on top and the 3 bolts that hold this in. Those you won't need anymore. You might want to save them if you ever sell your car with an old battery in it or whatever, but for me, I'll just probably throw this in the garbage. So hopefully this helps, and good luck. If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.